Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series. In the previous classes, we have dealt with some of the MCQs with respect to the economics general paper for SYBA. In this class, I'll be talking about some more MCQs. So let's get started. The next MCQ which we have in line is talking about unorganized or informal side of the Indian financial system. So it is saying informal side or unorganized side of Indian financial system consists of what all things. So here options are A, money lender, B, local bankers, C, traders, and D, all of the above. So here the correct answer is all of these are a part of the unorganized or informal side of the Indian financial system. Therefore option D is the correct answer, which is talking about all of these, that is money lenders, local bankers, traders, and all of that. Let us now move to the next MCQ, which is talking about banking institutions and their classification. So here is the question: banking institutions are classified into dash. So here we have the options. The first option is talking about scheduled commercial banks, then we have scheduled cooperative banks, then the option is both A and B, that is scheduled commercial as well as scheduled cooperative, and the last option is none of the above. These options, neither of them. So here the correct answer is banking institutions are classified into scheduled commercials and scheduled cooperatives. So here option C is talking about both A and B. So this is the correct answer. Let us now move to the next MCQ, which is talking about which of the following are key services provided by financial institutions or intermediaries. So these services are A, merchant banking, B, leasing, C, hire and purchase, and D, all of the above. So here the correct answer is all these are services rendered by or key services rendered by financial institutions or intermediaries, and hence the correct option is D, all of the above. Let us look at the next MCQ. What is the long form of SEBI or SEBI? So the long form of SEBI is what? The first option is Securities and Export Board of India. The second option is Securities and Exchange Board of Investment. The third option is Securities and Exchange Board of India, and the last option is none of the above. So here you have to know the full form or long form, otherwise it is really difficult, and the correct answer here is option C, which is talking about Securities and Exchange Board of India. So this is the correct answer. Let us now move to the next MCQ, which is talking about which of the following is not a characteristic of Indian financial system. Here I am looking at not sort of a question. So not a characteristic of Indian financial system, and the underlying options are low risk, okay, next is convenience, then we have inefficient management, and then we have none of the above. So here which is not the characteristic is inefficient management, rather we have efficient management as a thing. So here option C is the correct answer. Let us now move to the last MCQ in this session. Here I am talking about on the basis of time. Here you have to make sure that you read the questions carefully in case of MCQ pattern. On the basis of time, financial instruments are classified as A option is short term instruments, then B option is medium term instruments, C option is long term instruments, and option D is talking about all of the above, meaning thereby short term, medium term, and long term. So if you have known the classification on the basis of time of financial instrument, it is talking about all the three, that is medium term, short term, and long term. So here the correct option is option D, which is talking about all of the above. So I hope the idea of MCQ questions is pretty much clear. Please stay tuned. I'll be making more videos with respect to MCQs on G2, which is the financial systems paper. Thank you.